Hello everyone, welcome to Decor Lab Basics 101. Grid wall, also it is called mesh wall, is an amazing and trendy way to create a display for your client. You can apply streamers to it or simply have it as a transparent backdrop that will elevate your balloon work. There are tons of different grid walls on the market. The one that we use is 2 by 8 foot, which is giving us ability to add a couple of them together to make a different size of the grid wall for various types of setups. 2 by 8 foot, 4 by 8 foot, 6 by 8, or standard 8 by 8 sizes. We are creating the 8 by 8 grid wall for you today. To create the 8 by 8 grid wall, you will need 4 panels attached to the pipe and drape. As a base, we use our heavy duty pipe and drape base. You can see the setup video for this in our Decor Basics section. We attach each panel to the base with 11-inch zip ties on each side of the horizontal and vertical poles. Then we attach the second grid panel, attaching it to the first panel and horizontal pipe. And then you just keep on adding grid panels until you create the length you desire. We use the wire cutters to cut the ends of the zip ties, and then you have your finished look with the grid wall. And here you have it. This is your grid wall 101.